Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to start new block 6, rights and duties. What are rights and duties? Yes, rights are things we free to do. Rights are things we are free to do. Okay, what is duty? Duties are the things we must do. Duties we must do. Okay. So what are rights? Rights. Rights are things. Rights are things we are free to do. We are free to do. What is duties? Yes, duties are things we must do. Duties are things we must do. Okay, so everybody understood what is right and what is duty. Rights are the things we free to do and duties are the things we must do. Okay, so everybody have some rights, isn't it children? We are living in India as an Indian citizen. We have some rights and in the same time we have some duties also towards our nation. Okay, so let us discuss what are our rights and what are our duties. So today's class we are going to discuss about rights. Okay, so what we studied, what is right and what is duty we studied. How rights are different from duties? Yes, rights are the things we are free to do. Duties are the things we must do. Okay, so rights and duties we understood. Now we are going to discuss only about rights. Okay, first we are going to discuss about rights. So we already told rights are the things we are free to do. Okay, so what are the things we are free to do that we are going to discuss now. Okay, so we are going to discuss about one type of right, that is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. It is new word for you. Everybody need to study the spelling fundamental rights. Okay. So today first we are going to discuss about fundamental rights. What is fundamental rights? Okay. So we have some rights we told. Okay. So we have some fundamental rights and human rights also there. Okay. So fundamental rights are the rights that we get through Constitution. Constitution of India gives this right. So what is Constitution? Yes, Constitution is also a new word for you. Constitution. Constitution is a set of rules and regulation. Set of rules. Set of rules. Set of rules and regulations. Set of rules and regulations followed by a country. A set of rules and regulations followed by a country. So each country have its own constitution. Constitution means some rules and regulations we have to follow as a citizen of India. Okay, so every country have constitution. India also have constitution. In Indian constitution is written constitution. Written. Every rules and regulations are written in the form of a book. Okay. So what is that and all you no need to study now because you are lower class students. Now you just study what are fundamental rights. To teach you fundamental right, I just mentioned about constitution. So fundamental rights are the rights we get from Constitution. Constitution gives this right to us. Okay. Constitution means some set of rules and regulations followed by a country. So each country needs some rules and regulations to follow. Otherwise what happen? Yes, there will be murder in our country. So there will be so much problem will be there if there is no constitution. Right children? There is no rules and regulations are there in our country, then we know many people will die, people kill each other. So like that many problem will be there, traffic violation will be there. So many rules and regulations are there. it followed by each country. So each country have its own constitution. So fundamental rights are the rights given by constitution. Okay, given by constitution. So fundamental rights are the rights given by constitution. Given by constitution. So we know everybody have these rights, fundamental rights. Everybody have this right, fundamental right, because it is given by Constitution of India. Okay, so now we are going to learn about different fundamental rights. Okay, so everybody should listen carefully. This part is little bit difficult. Okay, so first we studied what is right. Rights are the things we free to do. Okay, duties are the things we must do. Okay, and we studied rights. Among the rights we studied about fundamental right at first, and we have to study human right also. So first we will study fundamental rights. So fundamental rights are the rights given by Constitution of India. Constitution. Okay, then what is Constitution? Constitution is a set of rules and regulations followed by a country. Okay, so many rules and regulations we have to follow in our country, that is constitution. So that constitution provide this right to us. Each person have this right, fundamental right. If anybody is not getting the fundamental right, we can approach to court. So what are fundamental rights? Now we are going to learn now. Okay, so everybody listen carefully. Mainly 6 fundamental rights are there. How many fundamental rights are there? 6 fundamental rights are there. Okay, so first fundamental right is right to equality. Right to equality. Right to equality. Equality means all are equal. All people are equal in the eyes of law. Okay, so all are equal. No rich people, no poor people, no girl, boy, like that difference. No differences will be there. All are equal. That is right to equality. Okay, so which is the first fundamental right? Right to equality. Then second one is right to freedom. Right to freedom. So everybody have the right to freedom. Freedom to go anywhere within the country, freedom to speak any language, we can speak to anyone in the country. Okay, so every person have the right to freedom. So second fundamental right is right to freedom. Okay, so we can go anywhere within the country, any part of our country we can travel, and we can speak any languages. Okay, if anybody is stop us by using our fundamental right, we can approach to court. Okay, so see children, so second fundamental right is right to freedom. So we can walk freely anywhere within the country. We can speak to any person within the country. Okay, so that is right to freedom. Okay, then third fundamental right is right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion means we can believe in any religion. Okay, if we want to believe in Hinduism, we can believe Hinduism. If we want to believe in Islamism, we can believe in Islamism. Okay, and if we want to convert our religion into Christianity, we can do it. It is we have the right. Okay, so the right to freedom of religion, we can believe any religion. Okay, and we can worship any god. If we want to worship Hindu god, we can worship it. Okay, we can believe in any religion and we can worship any god. Okay, so that is right to freedom of religion. Okay, so right to equality, right to freedom, right to freedom of religion. Now 3 fundamental rights we studied. Next fundamental right is right against exploitation. Right against exploitation. So next is the Next fundamental right is right against exploitation. So no person can exploit us. Okay, so it is our right. So we can protest against the exploitation. Okay, so we can protest against exploitation because nobody should exploit us. Okay, so right against the exploitation is the another important fundamental right. Next fundamental right is cultural and educational right. Cultural and educational right. Educational right. Cultural and educational right. So we know every person, every citizen in India has the right to education. So we know all the people in India have the right to education. That means 14 years, up to 14 years education is compulsory. So nobody should be forced to work. Okay, so everybody have the right to education. So no children should be forced to work below 14 years. Okay, it will be punishable. So every person in India have the right to education. So up to 14 years education is compulsory. Okay, so if any children denied their education, it will be punishable. Okay, cultural right means we can preserve our own language and folk dances. Okay, so we can preserve our own language, folk dance, festivals. Okay, so cultural and educational right is the another important fundamental right. So right to education is our fundamental right. Next, sixth fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. Constitutional remedies. Constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies means if anybody stop us by using our fundamental right, we can approach to the court, Supreme Court or High Court or any court we can approach if any person are stopping us from using this fundamental right. Okay, so it will be punishable. That is the last fundamental right. Okay, so right to constitutional remedies means if anybody stop us from using this fundamental right, we can approach to any court, Supreme Court or High Court or any district or any court, we can approach. Okay, that is the sixth fundamental right, right to constitutional remedies. Okay, so these are the six fundamental rights. Okay, once again I will say what are the fundamental right. First one is right to equality. Right to equality means all people are equal in the eyes of law. That means all people are equal means no rich people, poor people, no difference between girl, boy, like that difference we cannot see. All are people are equal. So right to equality is the first fundamental right. Okay, then second fundamental right, right to freedom. Right to freedom. Right to freedom means everybody can freely go to any part of our country. We can travel anywhere within the country. We can speak any language. So that is the right to freedom. We can right freedom of thinking, that all our right. Okay, right to freedom is second fundamental right. The next one is right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion means we have the right to believe in any religion and we can worship any god. So if we want to believe in Hinduism, we can believe Hinduism, or Islamism, then Islamism, or Christianity, any religion, Jainism, Buddhism, many religions are there. So we have the right to believe in any religion and we can worship any god. Okay, the next one is right against exploitation. So it is our fundamental rights. Nobody should exploit us. So we can protest against the exploitation. So right against the exploitation is another fundamental right. Next one is cultural and educational right. So every citizen or every person in India have the right to education. Up to 14 year, that means up to 10th standard education is compulsory. Okay, up to 14 education is compulsory to all people in India, and we can preserve our own language, festivals, etc. That is cultural right. Okay, and next one is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies means if any person stop us by using this fundamental right, we can approach to court, any court, Supreme Court or High Court, any court we can approach it. So government will protect our fundamental rights. Okay, so violating fundamental right, if anybody is not getting this fundamental, enjoying this fundamental right, then it will be punishable. So the government of India protect this fundamental right because these fundamental rights are given by Constitution of India. Okay, so the government protect our fundamental right. Okay, so these are the important fundamental rights you have to study. Workbook tomorrow we will discuss, and today, see children, we have to write one practice question. Only one practice question only we are discussing today, and worksheet we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, then question number 2. What do you understand by rights and duties? What do you understand by rights and duties? Rights are things we are free to do, and duties are things we must do. Okay, that practice question only you have to write today. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. So tomorrow we will meet. Okay, bye.